Hello, hi, welcome back to Success Automation. In today's topic, I'm going to talk about the guest get request by using the query parameter. So, by using query parameter, how to do the get request. So, I'll go to the code. I already created the code here. So, this is a standalone program, and if you see in a given, I'm setting the parameters like if you have some parameters like instead of pausing here, like for example, if you see here or I'll just go to some other service. Here if you see this service, this is the base URL, and you're pausing the endpoint here. This is normal get service, whereas query parameter, like you are going to give the base URL, and you want to pass the queries like query param, like key and value, a key and value. You can pass the your query data like this. I'm setting the three parameters here. First is customer ID, password and account number. Then I'm giving the base URL. So like this you can set the query parameter when you want to hit the get service. We are using the get service. I'm doing it. So I just quickly run this, clean this. Just done. If you see here, we got the some data here. So I'll just copy this one and paste here. So this is the data we got when we hit that service, and result, transaction ID, account number. This is account number, date, amount, and transaction type, and some of the other details. So like this, you can get the data. This get service returning the data in a HTML format. This is HTML body, but if you see this data, it is in JSON format. Inside this, there is a JSON data. So here, what we need to learn is how to hit the service by using query parameter. So all the queries, how many number of query you want to pass, you can set like this. So with this is your base URL, and all your query params you can pass like this, key value. So this is a um, this is this API I got from the Guru 99 website. Even if you have in your project, you can update your base URL here, and if that query has, when you want to hit the service by using query parameter, you can give like this, key value. Like this you can hit the service and you can get the data. Um, Another query param, I'm just at I created another class here. um, I'm using that open whether there is one API, open API, and I just assign the URL to this base URI. After that, by using the request specification, I use the given here. After that, you can create a response object, and you want to request. So whatever the request you created this object here, you can use it here, and you can pass the parameters. This is a query param q, and what data you want to wear. This is your key, and this is your data key value. Here this is another key, and this is the value. So as I am want to hit the get service, I have just given get, and this is your endpoint. This is the base URL, and this is your endpoint. So I just want to hit this. Here what I am doing, in the 26th line, I created word one string, JSON string. By using this response as string, whatever the response I am getting, that I am converting into a string. After that, in response, I am getting the status code. If we give the 200, that means the service hit properly, and we can check the status code. After that, I'm just, as this response is converted to string, that I'm printing here. After that, by using the assert, this assert, if you don't know, this is the JUnit assert. Assertions is like what are the data you get, that you want to check whether you want to check it's a true or not contain. So you are getting some data. That data, does it returning the true? Does it return the London? Then you're you're doing as a assertion like this this is your expected value, and this contains will get the value. This will match this expected and actual value. If both are match, then it will be true. This assertion I'll tell you in the next class. Try to understand now. So the main important topic here is you need to understand the query param, how to pass the query param. So this is another way. I'll just run this, right click and run here. When you hit the service, so we got the status code here, this one 200, and this JSON I'm printing here, so it is printing here. Okay, this is your JSON. After that, this assertion, it is checking whatever the data we are getting from the JSON, this whatever this JSON, whatever we are getting, right, in this JSON object, it will check London is there or not. If you see here, there is a London attribute. This name has the value London. That is what it will verify here. Whatever the JSON we are getting, that JSON contains London or not. So if you see the response here, I just copied this response here, JSON. This complete JSON contain the London. Because of that, this assertion is getting passed. For example, instead of London, you can put something here, Bangalore. If you put Bangalore here, I'll comment this. If you run this, the assertion will fail. Yeah, if you see, this assertion failed because whatever the JSON we are getting, right, this JSON, this JSON does not have Bangalore, but it contains London. That's the reason when I ran this assertion, it passed. So like this, you can verify your data, any data from your JSON string. So like this, you can do the query param, and you can validate the any data from your JSON, whatever JSON you are getting. In that you can check the value. Like this you can do. So this is all about today's session. So in the next topic I'll come up with a new topic. So thank you, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Subscribe my channel, and if you give the some comments, that will be good. Like whatever the new things you want to know, you can update in the comments section. Thank you, thanks for watching. Have a great day.